Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to monitor email performance in your CRM. Let's get started. To view your emails, first go to Mautic's email dashboard by clicking Channels in the main navigation and selecting Emails. At first glance, you will be able to see some quick statistics about your emails, such as how many have been sent, read, as well as the read rate. If you see that all of these numbers are 0, like the case here, it means that your email has not been sent out yet. Once it has, these numbers will update automatically. If you want to view email performance in more detail, simply click on the according email. You'll then be brought to a page full of email insights. The right-hand panel over here is where you're able to preview your email as well as track any edits that have been made. For general information regarding your email, you can click the Details button and see what category it's in, who's it being created by, when it was created, etc. This graph here offers a number of helpful statistics such as how many emails have been sent, read, failed, clicked, unsubscribed, and bounced. If you want to adjust the time period for which the data is displayed, you can use this helpful menu right here. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the different URLs you've included in your email, as well as how many times they've been clicked. You can look at a particular contact's engagement with the email by clicking the Contacts button. And that's it. Now you know how to monitor email performance in your CRM. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.